grandfather and grandmother of all spirits, we know that you have given us all that is good, and we acknowledge your love which surrounds us. I call to all the animal powers to be present and to send medicine to protect us, heal us, guide us, and teach us. I ask for the powers of Swan so that I may gracefully and peacefully glide through whatever challenges I face. I call the prairie dog power so that I can go deep inside and pay attention to my intuition. I ask for ant medicine so that I cheerfully, enthusiastically, and competently complete the task before me. I ask for eagle medicine so that I can see far, understand and release negative patterns holding me back from self-realization, and so that I may touch with the great mysterious. I ask for spider medicine, for catching power, to attract to myself the people and situations necessary and important to my continual spiritual growth and development. I ask for moose medicine so that I may learn to love and honor myself more completely, and that I openly and honestly share love with others. I ask for badger medicine so that I may stand my ground and speak up for myself in a timely manner. I call the deer medicine so that I can better understand and share universal love, and so that the gentleness within myself can touch with the gentleness within others. Let me be an instrument of love and peace. I ask for buffalo power so that my way will be clear to abundance on this earth plane. I ask that my heart remain open and that I receive guidance to wisely share that abundance with others. Bring me wolf medicine, so at the appropriate time, I will meet and recognize my inner and outer teachers. I ask for hummingbird medicine, so that I can taste the sweet nectars of life and have great joy on the earth. Lastly, I call the coyote, the old yodeler, so that I can laugh at myself and not be overly serious. Grandmother and grandfather of all spirits, I offer my talents and my time and trust to you. Please guide me. Help the veil to drop from my eyes so that I may clearly see your pathway. Give me your power, strength, and will to move forward on your road, your good and sweet medicine road. I am yours. Aho.